The important thing to remember with digital systems is that the final circuits are just radials. No junction boxes, no complex joints, no branching off, just run a radial to the circuit or final load. If they want individual bedside lights, that's 2 radials. However, the light control points, the things the customers touch, they are wired in 15-volt CAN bus cable, which can go anywhere you need them to. These can branch off to wherever you want, whatever makes sense when you're first fitting the cables. Just get back to the control cabinets at some point. But it's not just lighting. What about ceiling fans? What about window blinds? These are all final loads. Simply run a suitable radial to wherever you need to. Think how easy this will be for fault finding and servicing. But let's make it really easy and add in full heating control. S-Plan Plus valves are just 3-watt final loads too. The valves are just things to be controlled. Discover more at velbus.eu and apply for training at installers.velbus.co.uk.